Creamer. Sugar, right? There's something missing. It's still...
It's sugar.
Condensed milk. Meron tayong condensed milk.
Wait. I have an idea, Scudder. Wait, I have an idea.
Evaporated milk. Condensed milk, wala.
Hindi ko alam, pero watch this.
Ha?
Ito man ginamit ni Pampang Pizza.
Paco! Asan si Paco? May condensed milk tayo? Condensed milk? Evaporated milk at condensed milk pareho lang yun?
Hindi. Ang condensed matamis.
Oo.
Pero isa na pa tayo. Para sa salad natin. Pero kayo,
Hindi, lagay natin dito sa... Wala, swap lang eh.
hindi, meron yun. Dalawa yun. Ginamit mo na kanina?
Condensed
Hindi.
milk. Ay, nandun no? Ilan?
Later,
Para
try
saan?
na.
Wag na lang.
Para
Kung
sa
ganyan.
ano natin, fruit cocktail sana. At saka, itong...
Magagawa tayo ng salad?
Oo.
Evap milk, kailangan natin lahat. Dalawang cans.
Sort of. Well, siguro pwede nyo gamitin yung isa. Pang ingredients lang naman natin to eh. For our...
Para masulit yung cocktail natin. Yung Boracay.
Wait. Try na.
Sige, try mo na.
Pero ang evaporated milk, hindi siya matamis. Ano siya,
Oo.
ano lang, yung...
Gatas lang.
Alpine.
Wait, let me try first.
Sobrang sarap nito with condensed milk.
Too sweet.
It's condensed milk that's missing.
Milk. Just in general milk.
No, just add creamer na lang. Para hindi masasabi.
It's too sweet?
No,
No, it's kulang ng
Wait,
creaminess.
put it in here. Put the creamer in here.
Sige.
Kasi in it, too big. So it evaporates. I mean, mixes better.
More.
Wait, naman na.
Kahit tagal mo nang
That's milk.
babalik ka rin.
Kulang siya ng pagiging creamy niya eh. Pagkatapos natin, pag na may drink na tayo, lasing na tayo.
Okay lang.
Team leaders, boom.
Bye-bye, team leaders.
Team leaders, panoorin niyo to. Wait, meron pa, Ed.
Iba.
I think this is it.
I think ako din.
This is it, pancit.
Pwede na. For sure.
It smells milky na. Go, here.
Try. Pwede na?
Pwede na. Could use more, though. My opinion.
Oo.
Cream na?
Oo.
Go.
We need more cream and more sugar. Just konti lang. Pag both.
No, I think the sugar, like, konti na
One.
lang.
Okay, go.
4. No, 5. Hindi pa tapos.
Hindi pa.
Gusto namin na sobrang sarap talaga para sa inyo. No, it's okay. You know, later we practice pa. Okay. We have practice. Nga?
Cream.
Diyan?
Pero, hindi masarap pa.
Sama natin, oy.
Now I think pwede na.
Sorry guys. Tangga baba.
Kulang pa nga ate, I think. Can't taste it.
It just keeps getting stronger.
No. Wala na, it's not strong na.
Ano daw?
It's missing coldness. Cold water.
It's missing being cold. And syrup.
I think it needs just a tiny. Walang baso.
Ate, hindi tulog na tulog.
Ito na lang, this one. Oh yeah, sure.
Parang coffee lang. Sweet.
It's sweet.
Sweet na
It's
siya.
sweet.
No, it's not sweet enough.
Sweeter. It's too sweet.
Huh?
Sweet na siya.
I think we've been drinking too much.
Taste it. We wanted like, yung drink na Boracay. Boracay talaga ang tawag ng drink. Yun yung gusto ko ma-achieve. Pero wala tayong chocolate milk.
Oo nga. Oo, alam ko yung drink na yun. Diba sweet na siya?
Oh my gosh, it kind of reminds, it's a hint of like White Russian a little
White Russian. Tama.
Work your magic, Slater.
I told you, it needs to be heated first, the sugar. For it to dissolve.
To be syrup. I think tama na to. Give me a new glass now. It needs more Boracay. Rum.
No, but just try them, and then
It's okay, it's okay.
Just try lang.
Wait. Let's see.
sip. Ayun.
Yun na yun. Yun yung sinasabi ko. Yun yung sinasabi ko.
That is freaking awesome.
Yun yung sinasabi ko.
Painom ako.
Oh my gosh, it's almost like White Russian.
Diba?
Go.
Sarap pa.
Wag na.
Shot. Teka.
Guys, we're having shots.
Yay!